In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signatures in Zoho Mail for a simple and professional email look. Adding a signature to your email not only enhances your communication, but also provides a touch of professionalism with every message you send. For those of you using Zoho Mail, this process is straightforward and I'm here to guide you step by step. First, you'll want to open up Zoho Mail. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to mail.zoho.com. Once logged into your account, we'll begin our journey towards crafting that perfect email signature. Next, direct your eyes to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll locate the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear or a wrench. Click on this to open up the settings menu. This is the gateway to customizing your email experience in Zoho Mail. From the drop-down or sidebar that appears after clicking settings, your next stop is the signature option. Click on it. This will lead you to a dedicated section where you can manage and create email signatures that stick. Within the signature settings, you'll see an Add button, ready to facilitate your first signature. Click on Add to initiate entering the new signature details. You're almost there, and clarity and details will ensure that each email represents you or your organization just the way you want. Now comes the part where you input the signature details. You'll first be prompted to enter a signature name. This name is personal and doesn't appear in the email. It merely helps you distinguish between multiple signatures you might be managing within Zoho. Enter something intuitive, like professional signature or personal signature based on your needs. Once that's done, you have the option to enhance your signature through the More Options feature. Click on this to customize further. Here you can add elements like images, hyperlinks for your website, or social media profiles, or even a logo. This is the place to let your creativity shine while keeping your signature concise and relevant to its purpose. After you've perfected your signature, double check to ensure everything looks just how you envisioned. Confirm all the links work, images look perfect, and text is formatted exactly how you'd like it to appear. With everything in place, click on Save. Voila! Your signature is now ready to be appended to your outgoing emails, providing that simple yet impactful professional touch. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a signature in Zoho Mail that looks both simple and professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you communicate with added flair and professionalism. Stay tuned for more how-tos and sharp tips to refine your digital space.